So we manufacture our board out of various different materials, but we do have two primary specs that we work to, and that is SF, which is shop fit, and HI, which is high impact. The high impact board that you see made in this chair is made out of the PP and HD skin on the top. Now, when we first started, we concentrated on HI board, which is effectively storm board. And storm board was designed for inherently dealing with materials that would be outside for a long time, so they had to be UV tolerant. You can put this in an environment where it can be outside for a long, long time with no leachables and no issues. It is completely UV tolerant and can stand up to graffiti, impacts, acids, alkalines, washing, so it can be outside, it can be used as furniture. Just in the name, it's high impact. Shop fit board, SF, is made out of polystyrene as the skin. So this horrible stuff that you see floating around everywhere, that is part of what makes that skin up. And this serves an amazing purpose, something that I think really, really helps with environmental impact of some of the harder plastics that we see floating around. So this one here, the green tint in it, has actually come from polystyrene manufacturing. So we take the swarf polystyrene green and we mix it with this material, two types of polystyrene that cause an issue, and we make this amazing skin that goes really hard. It brought to market a very viable alternative to wood, utilising multiple polymers. It can be polished, can be shined, but what it allows us to do is things will adhere to this. So we can sticker it, we can paint it, and we can turn it into point of sale. It can go in store, very hard, very impactful. So getting this material out and getting it into a product like this and into shop fit and saving wood, I think it's fantastic. The guys bring these in and they start working on them, and we start running them through the CNC, make some awesome products out of them. A lot of this goes into kids' furniture. So cutting anything that's made out of plastic is going to create a microplastic, and we have to deal with that. So all of that, all of the waste that comes off our board, 100% goes back into a board. Whether it's the swarf from the offcut, or it's the sawdust from the sawing and milling. And what's more, these boards are recyclable again and again and again by us. So when a school is finished with a piece of furniture, it can come back to us, it gets reground, and it can be made back into a board. 3 to 4 times its cycle before we have to start adding more material in. There is no waste of the board. It serves an amazing purpose. Everything's collected and put back in.